Using the Visual Basic Editor, you can create a user form. A user form is a nice user-friendly interface that the user can interact with when working with a spreadsheet. What I've done first of all, I've opened a file called People, and what I'd like to do is save this file as Chapter 17. So I'm just going to click on the File tab in the ribbon and click Save As. I'm just going to put in a certain location and call it Chapter 17. And also make sure it's a macro-enabled workbook. And save. There's a couple of things I need you to realise before we start creating the user form. And that is, first of all, in Sheet 1 and in the cell A1, using the name box, I've named this cell Start Cell. The other thing to be aware of in Sheet 2 at the bottom of your screen is there are a list of people's names in column A and a list of regions in column B. So I'll go back to Sheet 1. In my Visual Basic Editor, what I'd like to do is insert a user form. If you choose the Insert command in the menu, you can choose User Form. And this is what they call a user form. When I put my mouse in the bottom right corner, I can resize this form and make it a little larger. The other important thing to realise is the toolbox. The fact that now I can see this little toolbox here is important. If you can't see your toolbox, then click on the View command in the menu and turn on the toolbox. You can also turn off the toolbox. And I'll go back to View and turn on the toolbox. What I'd also like to do is I'd like to name this form. So using the Properties window, where I see the name property, I'll take out User Form 1 and I'll put in FRM Sales and press Enter. And this is the name of my form.